Model, 2018 Ford Transit Courier Base 1.0 EcoBoost Petrol Non-Runner Cambelt Snapped No VAT Bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 93,373. Engine, 999 cc 1.0100 PS EcoBoost-H. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, timing belt has snapped. Straightforward repair, if you know what you're doing. Absolute bargain with no VAT, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers,